SCFA is now and never here. Short-chain fatty acid, not a buzzword, not a trend, but fermentation products made every day inside the large intestine when the system is still alive. Acetate, propionate, butyrate, small molecules but system-wide effects across organs, across signals. Fiber goes in not for human cells but for microbes that ferment leftovers, producing SCFA as metabolic currency and biological language. SCFA gets absorbed, enters portal circulation, moves to the liver, spreads to tissues, not just as calories but as regulatory signals. Mitochondria rid context, not just fuel. Electron transport efficiency shifts, ATP production adapts, redox balance stays aligned, butyrate maintains, gut epithelium, tight junctions reinforced, permeability controlled, ender the toxins, stay contained, systemic inflammation stopped upstream. Propionate modulates gluconeogenesis, liver adjusts, glucose output, insulin response stabilizes, metabolic homeostasis maintained. Acetate travels systemically into muscle, into brain, into peripheral tissue, becoming backup energy when other pathways fail. SCFA is not a neurotransmitter but an indirect neuromodulator, communicating through the vagus nerve, sending signals to the brain without crossing the blood-brain barrier. Gut-brain axis stays active. The brain listens to the gut through neural impulses, through cytokines, through metabolites, not the other way around. Mood shifts, focus changes, stress regulation adapts, depending on microbiome composition, not motivation, not mindset, not willpower. The immune system reads metabolic signals. T-cell regulators activate, macrophages recalibrate. Inflammation is not shut down but balanced contextually. The heart responds to metabolic tone, the kidneys regulate pressure, the liver reallocates energy, all synchronized by small molecules rarely mentioned in health brochures. Problems begin when inputs change, ultra-processed food, preservatives, emulsifiers, artificial sweeteners disrupt microbial ecosystems. SCFA production drops, microbial diversity collapses, metabolic signaling distorts, the immune system misreads reality, addicts enter, broad spectrum one sweep, ecosystem collapse, recovery slow, sometimes never returning to baseline, then symptoms appear, chronic fatigue, brain fog, low-grade inflammation, metabolic dysfunction, labeled mysterious, but the chain is clear, wrong input, broken fermentation, low SCFA, inefficient mitochondria, leaking ATP, neural desynchronization, immune misfiring. This is not alternative theory, this is basic physiology, biochemistry, human internal ecology. The human body is not a single machine but a superorganism, cross-species collaboration requiring balance, not constant control. SCFA is not medicine, not a quick fix but a foundation. If the foundation fails, downstream intervention will never stabilize. This rap is long because the system is complex. If you want simple answers, biology is not the place. If you want to understand why the body reacts this way, why food is not just calories but molecular signals, listen all the way through. SCFA is not a trend, not a myth, but metabolic language we ignore for too long, even though it holds the key to internal balance. That's unfair. That's unfair. That's unfair.